For better living, are you feeling good tonight? This thing got me thanking God for life.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do box braids. We've done this tutorial before, but I'm going to go over it again so you guys, can kind of learn some more. And the difference with this is that we're going to be doing streaks of blonde. So I'm going to show you guys how I do that. So what I did is get expression braiding hair and cut it into 4. And I've shown a video of how I prep the hair, like how I stretch the ends to make it feathered, so that way it's nice and natural at the tip and very pretty. So I'm going to show you guys how, well, I'll put a link in the description, link into that video so you guys can check out. So this is one of my clients, one of my favorite clients actually. So she's just getting box braids like she normally does. Her hair has grown so much and she typically always get box braids like once every 2 or 3 months, and she keeps them in for a very long time. And she's been very good at getting protective styles to grow her hair out, because when I first started braiding her hair it was super short, and now it's nice and long. So I'm very happy about that. So I'm gonna tell you guys how I do it. So I'm just gonna secure the ends for these braids. I'm just gonna be taking a little piece of hair from the tip when I'm done braiding, and I'm just gonna be wrapping it around just so I can secure it. You can leave it as it is, or you can just tie that knot. Each natural hair gets one extension hair just to create the 3-strand braid. And yeah, what I do is to make my braids look very neat, I always do the tight method. There are 2 different types of box braids. You can do the loose braids, or you can do the tight ones. I always do the tight ones because they appear to be the neatest, to me at least. Some people like their braids to be loose and not braided too tight. So I'm not saying tight in the braids, I'm talking about tight with the branches. So like I do my braids very close to each other in terms of like the weaving portion of it, not the base. I'm not talking about the base, you guys. I'm talking about the actual braids that I'm doing, like the branch, the long part you see me braiding right now. I like to braid them really close to each other so that way it appears neat. It creates the illusion of like machine braided hair, and I feel like that looks very nice when you're done. So yeah, that's what I do. So I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and watch this. I didn't use any products but my Blue Magic. I typically just do the hair without any additional help from any product, but I did show you guys how what products to use if you were in the beginner stages to make the base look very nice and neat. I'll put that video in the description as well for you guys to check out. So yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys watch on your own, and I'll be back to talk to you guys in a minute.
On the track. S-Bling on the track.
Purchase your tracks today.
So we're going to be doing streaks of blonde, and like we always do on this channel, if we're doing colors that are not your natural hair, we always tuck it. So I'm going to be showing you guys once more how to tuck your natural hair behind any colored extension. So when you're installing the hair, always make sure that the hair is behind the braiding hair. So just kind of make that cautious effort to kind of use your fingers to direct the hair to be behind the braiding hair, so that way it creates the illusion of the hair actually being blonde instead of like blonde mixed with black, because that looks messy, looks tacky. So you want to make sure that you're very, very clean with it. So always kind of use your hands to like push it back. That's all you have to do. It's very, very simple, although it may take longer to do that particular braid, but when you finish this hairstyle, it's gonna be worth it. So just take that time, take that one little second to move the hair to the back. Of course, when you flip the hair to the opposite direction, that black is going to show, but for the purpose of this and how she's going to style it, you want to make sure that her natural hair color is behind the braiding hair, so that way it's tucked away and it's not showing and obstructing the style that we're doing. So yeah, don't forget to check my description for links to the different videos. I have videos on how to braid natural hair. I have videos on how to tuck your hair behind colored extensions. I have videos on parting, so I'll just put them in the description below so you guys can check them out. So I'll just go ahead and let you guys watch, because I know a lot of hairstyles it contains a lot of visual learning. So I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and watch for yourself, and I'll catch you guys later at the end.
Purchase your tracks today.
S-Bling on the track. S-Bling on the track. S-Bling on the track.
Purchase your tracks today.
S-Bling on the track.
Purchase your tracks today.
S-Bling on the track. S-Bling on the track. S-Bling on the track.
Purchase your tracks today.
S-Bling on the track.
So we're just going to be doing very little blonde streaks. We're not going to OD on them, just a little bit, just to give the illusion of like some highlighted or low lights look, if anything. So just taking a pair of scissors, I'm just going to be cutting up some flyaways, and then I'm going to show you guys a trick that I do with hot water to kind of take out the flyaway. So when you dip your hair in hot water, what it does is it relaxes any flyaway hair that may be sticking up, and it also creates movement for your box braids. So you see how the back is kind of stiff. When you dip it in hot water, what it does is that it straightens the braids for you and makes it flow naturally when your client moves, so they don't have stiff braids. Nobody likes stiff braids, so make sure you dip the hair in hot water, but be very, very careful to protect your clients. I always tell you guys this: use towels, have one for yourself and one for your clients, so that way that both of you are being protected, so there are no accidents that could occur. So take care of that. And I always go ahead and I always lay down my clients' baby hairs. I feel like this step goes a long way to complete the look, so just do it. It takes 1 second or 2 seconds. Just lay it down. That way your hairstyle, your finished product looks even better. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Sorry I was moving when I filmed this video, so my whole house was like in shambles. So this is the finished product. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Have a merry day and God bless.
Purchase your tracks today.
S playing on the track.